Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Samsung SmartThings and keep devices usable locally. Full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Samsung SmartThings app on your mobile device. Locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner of the home screen. Tap on the menu icon to access the side panel. Scroll down to find the Settings option and select it. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Account. Select your account to view your linked devices. Start by individually removing each device associated with your SmartThings account. To do this, tap on each device you want to remove. Look for the Settings or Options button on the Devices page. Select the option to remove or delete the device from your SmartThings account. Confirm the removal when prompted. Once all devices are removed, return to the Settings menu. Now, scroll down to find the SmartThings Labs section. Within this section, look for the option to disconnect or unlink your account. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to unlink your account. Once unlinked, proceed to uninstall the SmartThings app. On your mobile device, locate the SmartThings app icon. Press and hold the app icon until options appear. Select the option to uninstall the app. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Now that the app is uninstalled, your devices remain usable locally. You can still control them using their dedicated apps or interfaces. If you need to access your devices later, reinstall the SmartThings app as needed. Your devices will retain their local functionality even without the app. This allows for seamless control without reliance on the SmartThings ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.